Hi guys, Brian Johnson here, December 8th, 2018. Just coming back and show you some results in Power Lead System Lead Lightning. Guys, this is just in the past 2 days. 23 leads and a new gold member arrived. Let me go back. It's just been amazing. Yes guys, it does work. Let me hurry up. I'll show you. Someone I referred became a gold member. Man, I'm just so ecstatic. I just can't wait to see what the future holds, man. This is just unbelievable. And guys, that's a residual income, $20 every week, every month. I'm sorry, every month. And all I do is just show my link, get traffic to it. There's plenty of ways online. There's free strategies. I'm still learning free strategies. There's paid strategies that I use. Guys, it's just amazing. This is all the leads. This is just some of the leads that just came in the past 2 days. So I just wanted to let you know that Power Lead System Lead Lightning does work. Man, I'll have my links in the description below. Also, I'll have one of the paid things that I use. You probably heard of it, Udimi. It's been amazing. And guys, just want to thank you for watching this video. About to finish watching this Heisman presentation. And guys, you have a great day. Thank you. See you later.